What if I told you that you can make a lot more money than you are right now? Not just turnover, but profit as well, without any fancy advertising, SEO, or paying a third party a single dollar. Just a little bit of effort, dedication, time, and critically, the right strategy. If you like how that sounds, then this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through 5 practical business strategies that can help you increase your income, get higher value bookings, and grow your detailing business, all whilst working the same or even lower hours. Best of all, any business owner who is committed can achieve this. So make sure you watch this video right to the end. If we haven't met before, my name is Ayman. I have over 20 years of sales and marketing experience, a bachelor's degree in strategic marketing, and over the last 10 years built multiple successful detailing businesses from the ground up. Still to this day, I coach new detailers, I work with established businesses, and help many increase their revenue and profit. What I'm sharing today are the 5 key strategies that separate high-earning detailing businesses from the ones that fight over the low-paying customers. So let's get stuck straight into it. Tip number 1. Your image determines your value. Customers judge your business before they even see your work. Your image matters. Your website, your social media, your reviews, your uniform, your workspace or van, how you look and speak, and the brands of products and tools that you use. If you want premium clients and premium income, you must present as a premium detailer. Think fine dining. The food matters, but how the restaurant looks is what sets your expectation before you even order. It's the same here. Use premium brands and professional products. Have a premium looking shop or van. Present as a premium business, so that way when the customer meets you, they can understand and appreciate why you're quoting higher than the next cheap detailer. Every detail adds to your perceived value. Imagine rocking up to your job in a very impressive and professional detailing van, opposed to a rundown, beaten up car without any branding. The customer will judge you before any work is even done. Tip number 2. Change your mentality. Business owner first, detailer second. Most detailers spend all of their time learning detailing techniques. Techniques matter, but business skills are what brings the money. Remember, you want to be a successful business first and foremost. We are all business owners. So you need to think about sales, marketing, pricing strategies, customer psychology, how to communicate value, and how to position your services. If you're not attracting higher paying customers, that's not a detailing skill problem. That is a marketing and business skill problem. So make sure you invest your time in learning business. Watch real educators and study marketing. Join proper training programs like the IGL Coatings Training Academy. It's a shameless plug, but it's true. Business skills bring customers through the door. The detailing skills back up the expectation set in the first place by your business skills. Tip number 3. Focus on the right jobs. There are only 24 hours in a day, and if you're doing low-priced, high-labor jobs, you burn out and you get stuck. Ceramic coatings on new cars offer the highest returns per hour in our industry. One coating job can be $1,500 to $3,000, often in one day. Compare that to hours of low value work for half the money and twice the effort. If you're busy but not profitable, it's time for you to shift what you accept and promote what you want to get. Stop posting cheap jobs on your social media. Stop advertising low value work. Only share what you want to be known for. Your customers are not going to believe that you are a premium detailer if all they see is you doing cheap cleaning jobs. You can't be the ceramic coating expert if all you do is cheap detailing. This is why big companies sometimes have multiple brands of products to service different value segments. Think about Toyota and Lexus. Tip number 4. Be the busy restaurant. People trust what looks busy. A busy business looks successful. Why are they so busy? They must be good. Everybody thinks that. A quiet business looks bad. You probably do this kind of judgment without knowing yourself. When you go out to eat and you see 2 restaurants, one is full inside with a line of people outside waiting to go in, and the other restaurant has no customers inside eating with staff standing around doing nothing. Where do you think you would rather eat, and which one do you trust more? Your business needs to show this exact same thing. Always post your work, always show results, share before and after photos, seek reviews and testimonials, and make everyone see that you are very busy all the time. Never post that you are quiet in business. It sends the wrong message. If you don't have any jobs to show, you might need to do a few discounted jobs or strategic bookings to build your portfolio. But don't make it obvious to the public. They don't need to know that you did these jobs discounted. Always look successful, look consistent, look desirable, and you will become in demand because human curiosity is very strong. Tip number 5, be seen by the right customers. Visibility is everything. If customers don't know you, they won't book you. Join the right groups, attend the right events, meet the right enthusiasts, and build the right relationships. Find key people in your desired market and give them a reason to talk about you and sing your song. Car owners trust other car owners, and word of mouth in the right communities beats paid advertising every single time. And when you do share your work, put the effort in there. Get good clear photos, good before and after photos, mind-blowing results. If you crack this, you won't ever have to spend a single cent on advertising or SEO. Here is a bonus 6th tip for you. Stay professional. Don't talk badly about other detailers, other shops, or other brands. Ignore the noise and negativity. Focus on your own work, your own customers, and your own reputation. As you begin to succeed, the competition will see you as a bigger threat and will begin to talk about you. Take that as a compliment, don't react. Follow these 5 steps and you will make more money, have less stress, and increase your profitability. I haven't detailed in years, but I still get customers calling regularly asking for help and asking for my services. Most of the time, these recommendations come from old clients from many years in the past that still have positive memories. This is what you want to achieve. Now, if you want to learn about the 5 things I would do differently if I was starting a detailing business today, watch this video right here as it will save you years of my mistakes. And if you would like to learn more about business, coatings, and detailing, why not consider joining the IGL Coatings Online Training Academy linked in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to hearing your success stories in the future.